Ngaz'ngathin, but this shit ain't never been easy, dawg. Ngaz'ngathin, this shit ain't never been easy. Ay, remember back then I ain't really had nothing. My back on the wall, I feel really. Now I got a couple of things to be thankful for. John up on a mini. Thinking about it before everything. I was putting my songs on a CD. Now I be up on the screens and they wouldn't admit, but I know that they see me. Yeah, ay, Ngaz'ngathin. But this shit ain't never been easy. Yeah, Ngaz'ngathin. Gotcha. I said I ain't never had it easy. I was just growing up watching my idols performing and kill it on TV. Something within it discovered myself, then I knew that one day it's gonna be me. Put all my trust in the process, cause I knew I could see by 10 minutes game. I was just trying to stay focused, didn't wanna end up filing a CV. Yeah, alang bachela, sazo bangena. Yeah, kumbula benghleka, but I guess now it's whatever. Yeah, it's just Rex, I'm thinking about how I might get enough family fed up. It's as I'm trying to put this shit together. Ay, gotta go chase a dream, yeah, the poopers all feza. Gotta go chase a dream, yeah, but wanna se bozela. And I'm only 19, ngiyazing bafakela pressure. Ay, mase ngidlukodini, ngifika ngiconte kwish. Remember back then I ain't really had nothing. My back on the wall, I feel really. Now I got a couple of things to be thankful for. John up on a mini. Thinking about it before everything. I was putting my songs on a CD. Now I be up on the screens and they wouldn't admit, but I know that they see me. Yeah, ay, Ngaz'ngathin. But this shit ain't never been easy. Yeah, Ngaz'ngathin. Gotcha. I said I ain't never had it easy.
They hating on me. Ukala kwam, angiziphandeli easy. Never had it easy. Right now, tryna take this shit overseas. All of you bitch niggas really ain't got nothing on me, ain't got nothing easy. I'm really tryna put some on the table cause I got a family to feed. Ngaz'ngathin, Mama Zoo young son. With the spoon to my guy kupu. Super slap or doors. Big up I'm getting wrong, ain't man's got cool. Long as it's on points. Then it's happening, if you ain't spending got cool. You ain't gonna say points. It's those some circles and Sacosta. Nisuke sending din no man in tons. When I'm crazy poopo, gotta stay focused. Really never had it easy, matter so papa.
Ay, remember back then I ain't really had nothing. My back on the wall, I feel really. Now I got a couple of things to be thankful for. John up on a mini. Thinking about it before everything. I was putting my songs on a CD. Now I be up on the screens and they wouldn't admit, but I know that they see me. Yeah, ay, Ngaz'ngathin. But this shit ain't never been easy. Yeah, ay, Ngaz'ngathin. Gotcha. I said I ain't never had it easy.